Welcome, today we're going to show you how to play Clash Royale on PC. So it's actually very easy. The first thing that you need to do is to open your browser as you from here, and then you need to search for Clash Royale on PC. After that you will see the Google Play link. It says download and play on PC. You need to click on it. After that this website will open. You need to click on install on Windows as here from here. And now it will start installing. So this download will open. So after it downloads, you need to open the file that you have downloaded. And I'll see from here it will install Clash Royale. You need to click on install, hit on yes, and now it will start downloading the whole game files. So now after the installation is done, you need to sign into your account. As you see from here, after you sign in, you can just click on looks good, hit on accept, and hit on finish. Click on add to shortcut as see from here, so you can just play it anytime. And now it will download more files from here. So now you can just click on play from here and Clash Royale will start. And as you see from here, the game has started. You can just start playing, and that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.